Welcome. Today you will learn how to turn text to video using a special application called invideo AI. Okay? The application works for both iPhone and on the web. So, follow me as I put you through on how you can create some stunning videos from the text you assign to the app through this tutorial.
On your iPhone, click on the App Store. As the App Store opens, search for invideo AI. As the app shows up in the search results, download it. Hold on until the app is done installing on your iPhone. After the installation of the app, tap on Open. Here you need to set up the application, okay? So I want to set it up using my iCloud account. So I'll say join with Apple. Then click continue. Here we are required to describe the video we want to create from text. As Godwin Tech, I assume that I have an academy known as Godwin Tech Academy. So I want InVideo to create a promotional video for me from the text describing what I want, okay? And I want that video to be promoted on YouTube. So in your own end, just describe what you want the application to create for you. So let me compose mine. Here it reads, create a promotional marketing video for Godwin Tech Academy. The video should be within 25 seconds. In the video, explain that the academy have been existing for over 10 years. Also highlights that we have trained over 1,500 students worldwide. We offer courses on Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Publisher, Microsoft Access, graphic design, and cloud services. Explain that we train beginners and seniors on how to use Windows computers, Android smartphones, and iPhones of different types. These areas should be highlighted in the video. Use a soft professional music in the promotion. At the end, highlight that people should visit techsupportpoint.com and purchase our quality courses to become tech professionals. Okay, so you can see, just be detailed enough on what you want the program to create for you. The more detailed you are, the better it's going to generate what you need in return. So after that, click generate a video. Okay, on this page, just choose your audience, the look and feel, and the platform. Okay, here audience has been generated automatically as tech enthusiasts. Okay, but if you want something different, you can select that. Here, look and feel, it shows professional, but I want something inspiring, so I will select that. And the platform is YouTube, which is correct. After that, click on continue. This app will now generate the script for us. The system has generated the video we need from the text. So you can play it to see how it sounds.
Welcome to the world of technology, where the future is being shaped. Welcome to Godwin Tech Academy, a place where the future isn't just predicted.
That's nice actually. I don't need to play everything, so it's stunning, all right? But you can edit this video further. Maybe you want to make some changes, click on edit. First, you are shown the media. Maybe you don't like this photo, you can upload your own. Or maybe you don't like this one, you can decide to change it. Okay, just click on upload and upload your own graphic. Okay, upload your own picture. So let's get back. Also, if you want to edit the script, just tap on edit script. Okay, and change these words. If the text is too much, you can reduce it. Okay, so let's close that. Here you can see the refresh icon. Maybe you don't like the video generated, you can click on refresh for it to generate a new video for you. Okay, After that, you can click on export to export the video. Here you say, give me a command to edit the video. Maybe the video is too long, or maybe you want to change the program to change the background music. You can do that. Just click on the arrow here and then make and then give the command you want the program to carry out. Okay, you can see samples they give us here. You say delete the second scene. Okay, or I can say change the background music. Okay, so after that, I'll click on this arrow that points right, and now the program is changing the background music. Okay, that is that. Okay, okay, once you're done with this, all you need to do is just to tap on export and export the video. Okay, the video exports with watermark. Okay, but if you want to remove the watermark, you have to go pro, whereby you pay for you to use the service. Okay,
Let's talk about the few noticeable issues you may experience when you're using this application for the first time. One of them is your inability to record or carry out a command for the first time. Sometimes this comes in because of poor internet network, okay, in your location. So what you need to do is just to switch to another network. I expressed that when I used it for the first time, okay? Number two is when you give command, maybe the area we say, maybe you want the video to be subtitled, the program may not carry out that assignment immediately or within few seconds. You need to wait for a little while, maybe like 30 seconds or to a minute. Okay, in some cases, all these are caused by low internet network or poor internet network. So when you find yourself in that situation, know what to do to fix it, and you will have everything go smoothly. Thank you for taking your time to watch through that video, and I believe it's educative. Okay, so these are just the steps you need to take to convert your text to video. It's something easy and simple to do, and it generates some beautiful videos in return. If you want to watch more videos like this, which are tech videos, please do well to subscribe to my channel, okay? Hit that like button for me for the video to go viral and leave a comment. See you next time.